The NITC Northern Ireland Technology Centre is an industry-facing unit based at Queen's University Belfast. We provide services to industry on a consultancy basis and on a research basis as well. We carry out industrial research, and we also work with our academic colleagues in the schools within the university carrying out academic research. Over the last few years, we've had a large capital investment in the centre here. We've made some purchases of robotic equipment, some of which has been KUKA robots. We have developed 2 cells here, a laser robotic welding cell using a KUKA KR60 robot. Where we stood now, we have a KUKA KR8 MIG welding cell. We're using a Fronius CMT welding source, and we have 2 manipulators. We have a tilt turn manipulator and we have a head and tail stop manipulator. We work with local and national industry on a few different levels. Something that's very relevant in Queen's University is knowledge transfer partnerships. Knowledge transfer partnerships are a partnership between a company and a university and an associate. The associate would be a graduate who delivers a project. There's a lot of interest in robotic welding in Northern Ireland, and we're currently engaged with several companies through knowledge transfer partnerships, helping them increase their skills and become more competitive. So with KUKA having a local presence, it makes it easier for us to collaborate. We have local support as and when required. We work with a wide range of industries, from steel fabrication through to food, manufacturing, aerospace, general machining. Everybody at the moment is looking to automate, so we have inquiries from across the board. One of the big drivers behind automation, and particularly robotic automation, is the skills gap. People are finding it harder and harder to recruit the necessary skilled personnel, particularly in welding. There's also a big interest in data and making use of data through the likes of Industry 4.0. This is something that we're very focused on here at the university. At the NITC, we are committed to continuing with our development of robotic cells and working with industry to help them advance their skills, and we're committed to working with KUKA and other robot suppliers.
Orange Intelligenz.